si Patrick Tulfo sa Rapido ni Tulfo. Rapido ni Tulfo.
Sir, going back naman kay Senador Bato. So ito po, you mentioned nga sir na ito nga po ay since napadala na nga natin doon si dating Pangulong Duterte at co-accused po itong si Senador Bato de la Rosa. At ito nga po is trying to exhaust all legal means. Pero sabi nyo nga sir, yung isa sa kanilang ano po, yung kanilang pinupunto ng kanyang abogado ay kinakailangan ng ano nga ng warrant of arrest from a local court. Ganun po ba, although sir, sabi niya hindi nga. Do you think sir, having said that, hindi makagrant ito ng Supreme Court because you cited the Constitution on this, sir?
Well, the Supreme Court will, of course, will decide according to its analysis, no? So hindi naman ako kahit na tama ako, pwede naman sabihin ng Supreme Court mali, no? So, but we are arguing based on our appreciation of the Constitution. So, and I think the Supreme Court will rule that way, no? Dahil pag ganyan, if you have to get a local warrant, i-duplicate mo yung gawa ng International Court na rini-recognize mo naman. Once you recognize the International Court, you recognize all its processes, no? Now, pag gusto mo ulitin, well, that is the call of the Supreme Court. Pero ang tingin ko, klaro na. Kasi we already, nasa Constitution natin eh, we adopt customary international, automatic yan as part of the law of the land. Yung crimes against humanity, customary international law yan. So, and the under customary international law, any state where the accused is found can prosecute him. That's customary international. We adopt that also. In other words, we automatically recognize the jurisdiction of a foreign court if it involves crimes against humanity, genocide, war crimes, mga ganyan. Ano yan? Limited lang yan eh. Sa ano, tinatawag nila yan yung crimes with universal jurisdiction.
Yes, sir.
So,
yes, sir.
Yeah. So, pero kung let's say robbery, you committed a robbery in the US or theft, hindi naman automatic. Ito lang, because these are crimes against the entire humanity, hindi lang crime against a certain people.